Alright, what's up guys? I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial today on how to live stream your DJ set. This is good for if you're tired of using your phone and you want to broadcast with the webcam from your computer, full fidelity with all your music being heard as it's being played. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto the interwebs, go and download the software OBS. It supports all systems. You'll download it with this button here. If you have an older computer, you can hit this previous releases tab and you can find your version there. Now, once you have that downloaded, open up your DJ software, connect your console, make sure everything's working, and then open up OBS. So when you have OBS open, it'll look kind of like this. This is a screen capture. This is me in the corner. From there, you'll create your sources, right? So if you want a webcam, you'll hit this plus button. You'll go into video capture. You'll hit OK. You can name it whatever you want, and then choose your device. I got a webcam. You can use your built-in webcam if you want. Go ahead, hit OK. And that should pop up right here. You can drag it, resize it, do whatever you want. So if you want to bring up your console, you then go ahead and hit this sources button again, audio input capture, hit OK, and then you go ahead and you select your DJ console, right? There's a lot of different options here, but you'll want to select your DJ console. Hit OK, and that should pop up right there. Now if you play some music, you'll notice that it pops through, right? And you get your music coming through. Now you can't hear it through your speakers or anything yet, so you'll want to set up the outputs of your DJ console and plug them either into some speakers that you have or into an audio interface, and then from that audio interface run that to some speakers. You can do that by using a DAW. I personally use Ableton Live. I'll set up my inputs over here to capture my console, and then from there I'll have that feed my speakers. Now if you want to go live using OBS, the way you do that, for instance for Facebook Live, is you go ahead, open up Facebook Live, create stream. I'll put all the links in the description so that you don't have to run around and go find them. So you go to facebook.com/live/create, hit create live stream, and then from there you copy the server URL, hit this button, go back into OBS, hit settings, hit stream, hit custom, in this box right here, paste your server, go back, copy the stream key, go back into OBS, paste your stream key, and then hit apply. If you don't hit apply, nothing will happen. Hit OK, and then hit start streaming. Now, once you hit start streaming, it's not going to start streaming for you onto Facebook Live just yet. It's just sending the signal to Facebook Live. So on here you'll see your event logs, and then in a second it should pop up and it'll show you exactly what your OBS is showing you. And from there you just go ahead, type in your description, and then your title, and you let people know what you're about. Let them know what's up. Let them know you're about to go live. I always like to do a test before I fully go live, so I'll hit only me, and then I'll go live for a little bit, make sure I have my audio right, make sure the visuals are right. You can add images, like a logo or something. If you go into OBS and hit your sources and hit add, you can add image, right? And then you can slap up, your logo or something, a video loop or whatever you got going on. You could get super creative with OBS, but today I'm just showing you guys the basics. And then from there you hit go live and you're ready to stream to the world. So if this video helped you guys out at all, I'd really appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like this, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications bell. And happy streaming, y'all.